Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history. Today we are going to read about the question answers of copywork and bookwork of your lesson number 4, expansion of British rule in North India. Write about the Anglo-Sikh War. Question number 1, first question. First Sikh War. At the turn of the 18th century AD, Maharaja Ranjit Singh united a number of Sikh principalities and laid the foundation of the Sikh kingdom in Punjab. They conquered Lahore in 1799 AD and Amritsar in 1801 AD. Lahore was made the capital of his kingdom. By 1809 AD, he brought the whole of the central Punjab up to the Satluj. Events leading to the Treaty of Amritsar. First, Lord Minto, the Governor General, sent his envoy Sir Charles Metcalfe to the court of Ranjit Singh and the Treaty of Amritsar was concluded. Second, terms of Treaty of Amritsar. A. By this treaty, both Sikhs and English agreed to attack each other and to accept Satluj as a boundary. The English, on the other hand, did not help Dost Muhammad and Amir of Afghanistan to recover Peshwa from Ranjit Singh. Causes of the First Sikh War. After the death of the Ranjit Singh, the Sikh army became overpowerful and the authorities could not control it. Lal Singh, an important minister, and Rani Jindal, the regent of the Dalip Singh, the ruler, wanted the army to be punished. The British too had then eyes on Punjab and were looking for an opportunity to annex the state. With this in view, they had increased their troops along the Satluj and made a bridge of boats. Events. The British Governor General Lord Hardinge was prepared for the situation. The Sikh fought bravely, but their leader were in faith to the kingdom. The army was left leaderless. Result: Lal Singh came to an understanding with the English, who were allowed to enter Lahore unopposed. B. In return, Gulab Singh, a chief, was to get Kashmir. The Sikh army was defeated and the Treaty of Lahore was concluded in 1846. Second Sikh War. Causes of the Second Anglo-Sikh War, 1848. 1. The humiliation caused by the First Anglo-Sikh War, wherein the Sikh Empire had lost some territories to the British East India Company. The Sikh repent Maharani Jinder Kaur not treated properly by the British. Maharani Jinder Kaur was removed from Lahore on conspiracy charges against British resident in Lahore. Event. The Second Anglo-Sikh War was a military conflict between the Sikh Empire and British East India Company and took place in 1848 and 1849. It resulted the fall of Sikh Empire and annexation of the Punjab and what subsequently became the Northwest Frontier Province. Result: decisive British victory. East India Company annexed the Sikh Empire. It resulted in partial subjugation of the Sikh kingdom and cession of Jammu and Kashmir, a separate princely state under Britishers. Doctrine of lapse: causes, terms, and results. According to the Indian tradition, kings were accepted to adopt an heir to the throne if they did not have a son of their own. This tradition was not accepted by the Britishers. The new Governor General Lord Dalhousie introduced a new policy known as Doctrine of Lapse. According to this policy, if the king did not have any natural born heir, then the kingdom would be lapsed to the Britishers or would be administered and occupied by the British. Now, bookwork. First one is the death of Raja Ranjit Singh in 1839. Second, the British started military build-up at Firozpur. Third is the Treaty of Amritsar 1845. And fourth is the Jinder Kaur was deposed as a regent and banished to Shekhupura jail near Lahore. And the Hindu governor of Multan, Diwan Mul Raj, refused to pay the increased revenue. Now, match the following. Satluj River, border between British and Sikh territories. Wajid Ali Shah, the last Nawab. Lord Dalhousie, Doctrine of Lapse. Gulab Singh, purchase of Kashmir. And Nana Sahib, deprivation of pension. True false. Governor Lord Hardinge did not declare war on the Punjab. False. Due to the inability to pay the war indemnity to the British, the Sikh Darbar added territories between the Bias and the Indus River to the British. True. Then the third one. The British resident had a great say in running the Sikh government. True. Then Punjab was annexed by the British after the Second Anglo-Sikh War. True. And Maharaja Dalip Singh was sent to England and put under the protection of Queen Victoria. It is true. Now see the picture. This picture is the last Nawab or Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh. Which instrument did the Lord Dalhousie use to depose him? It was Doctrine of Lapse to depose Awadh. Where did the British exiled him? British exiled him to Calcutta, Garden Reach. Fourth, he is credited with the revival of an Indian dance. The dance form was Kathak, and the venue where he regularly staged Kathak dance was Kaisarbagh Garden. So that's all for today's session. Write these question answers in your copy and fill the bookwork with all exercises. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.